Marysville Marine has one mission: delivering wholesale quality parts, deep product knowledge, and world-class customer service to marine dealers across the country. With distribution centers in Michigan, Tennessee, Ohio, and Florida, we're built to support marine dealers nationwide. Our ABYC-certified sales staff is made up of marine industry veterans with decades of hands-on experience. From diagnostics and technical guidance to troubleshooting and sourcing the right parts, we provide real-time support that keeps your business moving. Order by 2 p.m. for same-day shipping. Browse thousands of parts on our easy-to-use website, access real-time inventory, detailed product information, and images. Shop top brands like Volvo Penta, Webasto, Evinrude, Crusader, and much more. Marysville Marine is your extra resource, offering the knowledge, parts, and support you need, backed by a team that goes above and beyond to help you get the job done right. If you want to be backed by the best the marine industry has to offer, head over to marysvillemarine.com to learn more and apply for an account, or give us a call at 877-860-0967.